Let's go. We're back, everybody. We have a moto vlog go today, and look at this. I got a suit. I got a full-on track suit. Alpinestars. I don't know the exact model, but all I know is I bought it on Marketplace for 125 bucks. So, good ass suit. Fits me perfectly, and it was cheap. That's the best part about it. We are gonna go ahead, go to the motor school, and practice. It's one of those things, you guys need to go out and practice more. I don't know if I've actually made a vlog of me going out and practicing at the school, but that's probably the most common thing that I do on the bike, honestly. The Spokane Motor School here, they have their private lot, but they actually they give access to it, people to just come in and practice. But yeah, I'm still getting used to this suit. It's like weird. It's weird how stiff it is, but at the same time, I can move around pretty well in it. I bought it pre-owned, so it's already been broken in. So luckily, I don't have to worry about that. Ugh. Huh? Huh? I'm gonna leave traction control on too. I don't want to fucking loop this thing. Now let's go watch Dylan do his thing. Turn the GoPro up. Look at this, everybody. Look at this professional track rider. Look at him ripping it. I could get to that point. See, it's just purely my right turns that still feel weird. Might be just because of the suit. That could be part of the reason. This wind also doesn't help. Whoa, Jesus Christ, that wind. It's literally pushing me back. Look at him go, he's getting so close to us. Yeah, my rear brake's definitely got something wrong with it. It's back to going kind of soft again.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's like it was like perfect before, but now it's soft and squishy again.
Yeah, you might just need to bleed it.
Well, I did bleed it. I bled it to the point where it was like brand new firm. Dude, the wind is crazy. It literally started pushing me backwards.
Yeah. Oh, it's valid.
But yeah, my right turns just feel a little odd.
Like leaning right?
Yeah, leaning right.
Well, leaning right's going to be the hardest one. Left, it depends. Some people are good with right.
Yeah.
But
I'm good with the left, 100%.
well, honestly, just stay in second gear.
I was in first for all that.
Second. Stay in second.
Okay.
Kind of just because second is a little bit more easier. You want first gear is more twitchy that you just.
Yeah.
If you stay in second, you'll be. Just keep kind of just slowly kind of get down.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Remember.
Yeah.
All the way back. So it's almost like this. You're like ass out here, and then so you want where your body almost to like kind of here,
Mm-hmm.
and whichever side is more comfortable. So say the left side, so it's like to keep this arm like down on the tank for you.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have no problems with the left side at all. It's just the right side. So I just need to work on that.
Try the right side right now.
Huh?
Don't try it. It's, I mean, if you want to go for it.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna stick to doing figure eights and circles. I'll do it but I'll do right side, but I'll do little by little. I'll go give it a shot. Yeah, I'm feeling good with the left side. Like I can get that side pretty low.
You feel like you're pretty low?
I feel like it. No.
You just have a lot more room.
Oh, I know that I do, but like compared to how I ride on the street, definitely lower. Like what angle am I at?
You're like right here.
Mm-hmm.
Your knee.
Yeah, I got a lot to go.
It's definitely a scary thing because you're like, oh, dude, I'm like so far over, and it took me a while.
Yeah, not even close.
No, actually, your upper body feels fine.
It's really just more about leaning the bike.
Yeah, more leaning the bike down.
Yeah.
And that's the only thing, it's just confidence.
Yeah, I'm not gonna push it too hard since I don't have any protection on this bike. But yeah. You wanna take it for a rip?
Can I try?
Yeah. This suit is definitely feeling my nuts right now. Dude, it feels good to be leaning the bike. A little bit at least. Nobody thought Taken be like?
Who?
Thought Taken? Matthew Woods?
Oh my. That should be your Tinder profile. Is just that.
Just put in the Tinder profile looking for some book talk girls to spice up. Gosh, I'm sorry for all the wind noise, guys. There's gonna be a lot of it. It's a very windy day. Yeah, Jay, I know how far those things can lean. There's just that one. I have one clip of Connor where he just like flew up past me and he just takes the bike and just yeets it like this, and I'm like, holy fuck. I had no. That was kind of what made me want one of these bikes. I didn't realize how far they could lean, and it looked like you didn't even really try. Dude, that bike's so. It looks so good. I love that bike. Oh.
Dude, that thing is so hard to lean. Oh my god.
Well, it could just be also the like my suspension settings. Getting her down a little bit.
Well, I scraped for sure.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even see.
You have to be going pretty fast.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's like just because of how aggressive the body positioning is.
Yeah, I know, you definitely have to be going fast for that.
Yeah. Alright, and then I have another question for you guys. Mirrors on or off? Personally, I like having mirrors. I at least like having the ability to use them. But I agree that the bike looks better without mirrors. So this is where I'm kind of like torn. Do I take the mirrors off and throw on block off plates? Or do I keep the mirrors on and just do like this, where I fold them in? And then I can fold them out when necessary. Like I said, they just fold out like this. And it doesn't look too bad even with the mirrors. Like for stock mirrors, these aren't the worst. So I just don't know. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this guy ripping around? Look at him going so fast. And then when I'm done with him, just wah, wah. Done. Boom. Fold it in. Incognito mode. Illegal mode activated. Well, that was fun. I'll be very curious to look at the videos and see exactly how low I got. Yeah, that's pretty much the video. There's not really much else going on. We're just heading home now. Go find a lot to go practice in. Everybody, I think, should spend at least once like a month going to the lot just to go ahead and practice any of their skills, like braking, cornering, stuff like that. Like being able to go out there and master these skills is going to make you so much better of a rider if you can do that, especially if you have a bike like this. This one, even though it's a newer one, it doesn't have ABS. It is the non-ABS model, so it's like, it's nice. It's a newer, nice bike, but doesn't have ABS, which some can argue that's even better. And I personally think that ABS is a nice lifesaver. It's a nice little feature to have, but it takes the control out of my hands. Like I would much rather be 100% in control of the bike and everything that's going on with it. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the notification bell so you can see the next time I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody. God bless ya.
Scared the piss out of them.
They were looking and
They screamed.
they were looking and pointing. They were like, "Oh my gosh!"
I know, you just fucking pinned it. They're like, ah! I really heard it through my helmet. They screamed so loud. That was fucking funny. They're like, oh my god!
Oh my god, that's funny.
Please tell me you're, oh my god, you're always
I am.